My name is Feli and this is my friend Mrudula and here is my friend Samantha. We all three have joined the Aspire Zeta 4 badge and we have just concluded the course today and we would like to give a feedback about the course that we have done.
I'm from Hyderabad. I actually attended the online course before in December, and I found it very different in the sense that in online course it was very passive, and I was just listening. I was trying to gather all the information, but I found this face-to-face class very interactive, and also we came over our fears. We were very reluctant to go on the stage in the beginning, and it took many of our friends going on the stage and doing it bad for us to get the confidence to go and do it. And even though we did make mistakes, we learned a lot from it, and I would totally recommend you guys to come here. Even if you're attending online course, please try to do at least one offline course. It is very helpful.
So, like my friend Mrudula has attended the online course as well. Even I attended the online course. Feli here hasn't attended the online course before. So, difference between the online and the offline. I really like the offline course much better because I got to make friends. Like you can see, we're triplet sisters. So yeah, you get to make friends, not just study partners. You can go shopping with them as well. So okay, jokes apart, but yeah, the course was very informative. And it did bring up it spoke on topics that are not just important in our medical field. It's like something that you can use out of the field as well, like for example dealing with situations, dealing with people who are angry. Maybe it just shows that how you need patience in life, how important it is. And then somehow it helps you inculcate patience after 12 days. Like 8 hours, 9 hours per day class is too much. And especially if you're listening to it online, it's like, oh, I'm sleeping half the time, not listening to it. But when you come here, you're sitting for 8 full hours and you're actually sitting. So it's good. You can ask questions like the difference between online. So online, in case there are any jokes in class or in case someone has a doubt in class, you can't really hear the question sitting as a online person because there's no mic available for everyone. But here, you know what the question is. Like you can ask your questions, you can hear the questions asked by others, and you get a proper feedback as well, which is not really always done in an online class. So yeah, offline class is much more recommended. I like it. It's good.
Alright, I'll quickly share about my personal experience as well. I was very skeptical about taking the course before I came here, and I did a lot of research before choosing the academy as well. But now that I came here and actually attended the course, I think I made the right decision because again it helped me a lot with confidence, building confidence apart from academics. And also not to forget, our mentors are very, very good. They're very helpful and patient. They are always very approachable. They would answer our questions whenever we have one. So I would like to point out that one as well. And even after the course is over, they are always there to guide us and answer our queries anytime. So I would recommend taking the course for everyone who is going to appear for the Lab 2 exams. Thank you.